Two of the techniques that I connected with for ELLs is one that I am in part using now with my monolanguage learners, my emerging readers for a kindergarten. I label everyday objects around the classroom with their names so students can begin to connect the phonics and the letters with the actual object and make the connection, and it help enhance their learning and enhance the connection. Per our readings, I have learned that it is good for ELLs as well to have everyday objects labeled in English and also in their native language. It does the same thing. They make the connection, they recognize the word in their own language, but then they see it in English and it helps them to distinguish the differences, and seeing it on a daily basis just allow it to sink in and that cognitive process takes place. So it is seeing and labeling everyday objects in both languages. And the second technique that I absolutely adored is making connections in nature using everyday things like rocks and sticks, dirt, flowers, objects that are universal to the human experience, and actually labeling those as well. I never thought about doing that with objects in nature. I boast nature in my classroom for many different reasons, for science, for the biblical connection, since it is a Christian school, but it was a separate reference that this thing is universal. It's not just per my desire or my preference, but it's actually a technique, and it's actually something that's highly recommended because these things are universal to the human experience. And it's also fun. What child doesn't like to go outside and see and touch and play, and seeing those things labeled and hearing it as well will make them and help them make the connection and learn new words, and definitely aids their cognitive process. Thank you.